Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just felt called to come on here and share something that has been on my heart with everything that is happening in California right now. I just wanted to create something special, a space where we can come together in prayer, in healing, and in hope. And this is a time for all of us to connect, to send our love and our support to the land, to the people, to all the living beings that have been affected and impacted by the fires. So today, I just really want to come together with our collective energy, which is so powerful. And I truly believe that when we all come together and hold space for peace and renewal, that we can contribute to the healing that is so very needed right now. So, wherever you are, just go ahead and take a moment to settle in and join me as we open our hearts and send a wave of calm, compassion, and hope to California and to all the people. Let's just take this time to make a difference in whatever way we can, in a way that is deeply meaningful. So go ahead now and just close your eyes and take in a slow, deep breath and just feel the air gently filling your lungs. And as you exhale, just imagine you're releasing all tension, all worry, all fear. And you can just allow your body to soften and relax, just like a leaf gently settling onto the still water. And with every breath you take, just feel yourself becoming calmer, quieter, and more at ease. Breathe in and let it go. And now just feel a quiet, steady energy, a calming, steady energy growing within you. That's right, a cool, calming, peaceful, steady energy growing within you. A sense of connection to something infinite, something loving, something huge. And just imagine this energy within you as a cool, soothing presence flowing through you and expanding outward. This is the energy of healing. This is the energy of peace. This is the energy of divine grace. And just feel that energy surrounding you and holding you in safety and love. And just let this energy grow and expand and build, and projecting and radiating this energy now out to California. Picture the beautiful state in your mind, embraced by the soft, calming colors of green and blue, like a beautiful, peaceful, lush forest, meeting the gentle waves of an endless ocean. Imagine every tree, every blade of grass, every stone, and every home bathed in this serene energy. Imagine everything is held in the loving care of the universe. Just feel this energy traveling deep into the soil, carrying with it the strength and wisdom of the earth. And just see the land becoming balanced, steady, and whole, as if nature itself is breathing in renewal and breathing out peace. Breathe in and out. Now turn your thoughts to the people of California. Every person, every family, surrounded by this healing presence. See their hearts filling with hope, their burdens lifted, their spirits rising with a quiet strength. Imagine them held in a protective embrace of love and unity. The communities coming together stronger than ever, filled with compassion and resilience. And if you are one of the people in California who is directly experiencing the effects of these fires, if you are dealing with the loss, the fear, or the uncertainty, this is for you. Know that this moment is a space for you to feel supported, to feel cared for, and deeply connected to the love and strength of so many who hold you in their hearts right now. You are not alone. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to feel this connection as if the entire world is wrapping its arms around you in safety and compassion. Let this soothing energy, like soft greens and calming blues, flow around you, comforting you, renewing your strength, and easing your mind. Picture yourself surrounded by a protective presence that shields you from harm, bringing peace to your heart and a deep sense of hope for the days ahead. Trust that healing is already finding its way to you, one gentle moment at a time. Now let's also think and pray for all the animals. The ones who roam the forests and the fields, and those cared for in their homes. And let's see them moving gently to places of safety, guided by their instincts and love. And feel their fears melting away, replaced by calm and comfort. They too are cared for, protected, and held in the same gentle embrace as the land and its people. And now envision a soft rain beginning to fall, cool and steady, nourishing the earth without overwhelm. Imagine each droplet carrying a message of renewal and hope. As the rain falls, the land begins a new awakening. The trees stretch upward, the rivers flow clear and strong, and the air feels pure and fresh and clean. Everything in harmony, moving toward balance and growth. And also hold in your heart the firefighters and responders, and see them surrounded by a powerful, protective energy, that their paths be made safe, that their strength constantly renewed, that their spirits are lifted by the gratitude and the prayers of so many. And imagine their work becoming easier, as if guided by a loving force greater than themselves. They are supported, they are cared for, they are protected in every moment. And now just feel the entire state of California growing and glowing softly in shades of green and blue. A symbol of peace, a symbol of healing, a symbol of resilience. See the land thriving. See the skies clear and open. And see the communities once again vibrant and whole. Imagine the collective energy of love and hope and peace and well-being and goodness flowing across the state, bringing renewal, positivity, and hope to every corner, to every heart. And whisper a silent prayer now for peace, for healing, for safety. Trust that this prayer is carried on the current of your intention, that it is received by the universe, that it is heard and received, that it is amplified by the collective love of countless hearts. Know that it is heard. Know that it is felt. Know that it is already in motion. And just rest for a moment in deep gratitude. Giving thanks for the healing that is already unfolding, for the resilience of the earth, for the strength of the people, and for the purpose and the promise of renewal. Know that your prayer has added to the wave of love and light flowing across the land. Trust in the power of this shared intention to bring balance and peace. And when you are ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently return your awareness to the present moment. Carry with you the peace and the hope of this prayer, knowing that even in times of challenge, healing and renewal are always possible. Thank you so much for joining me in this space today. Your energy, your love, and your intention makes such a powerful difference. Together, we have already sent waves of peace, hope, and healing to California. I will continue to do so, continue to listen to this as many times as you want to help bring about peace, to continue to send healing renewal. I'm going to put this as a free track inside my app so people can listen to it anytime they want, over and over again, to just continue to send your intentions of positivity and power and strength and healing to California and to everyone and everything in need. Let's just continue to hold this vision of balance and renewal in our hearts, trusting that healing is unfolding even right now. And as you go on about your day, just carry this calm, compassionate energy with you. Be kind, be gentle, be loving with each other, knowing that even the smallest acts of care and kindness ripple out in ways that you can't always see. Thank you so much for being a part of this prayer. I wish you peace. Thank you so much for being a light in this world. Take care, and I will see you again soon.